In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a project management system in Notion. Start by opening your browser and heading to Notion.com. If you don't already have the desktop app, the web version works perfectly for this setup. On the home page, look for the Login button and click it. For a quick sign in, choose the Google option, then select your Google account. If you're already logged in elsewhere, Notion will pick that up and drop you right into your workspace. Once you're in, look near your workspace name for the More Options menu. Open that and choose Templates. Using a template is a smart way to get up and running fast. Instead of building a system from zero, you start with a structure that already includes databases, views, and useful properties. The best part is that every element can be customized later to match your team's workflow, naming conventions, and priorities, so you keep momentum while still making it your own. In the template gallery, click on the search bar and type Project Management. From the results, find the option called Projects and Tasks. This is a solid, flexible foundation that combines a projects database with a tasks database and pre-built views designed for planning and execution. Click Add to bring it into your workspace. Notion will create a new page with everything included, so you can immediately explore how it's organized. Open the new Projects and Tasks page. Inside, you'll see sections for both projects and the tasks that roll up into them. To start structuring your work, go into the Projects area. You'll notice multiple views that let you look at the same information in different ways, depending on what you need in the moment. Switch to the Timeline view to map projects over time. This is ideal for planning start and end dates, spotting overlaps, and creating a realistic schedule. You can drag bars to adjust dates, zoom the timeline in or out for detail, and quickly see what's happening this week versus next month. Next, check out the board view. This gives you a Kanban-style layout grouped by status, which is fantastic for daily stand-ups and progress tracking. Move cards from not started to in progress to completed as you work. It's simple, visual, and keeps the team aligned. Finally, open the status breakdown view. This summarizes projects by their current state so you can gauge workload and momentum at a glance. Use filters and sorts to focus on active work, high priority items, or specific owners. As you go, rename statuses, add properties like priority or owner, and tweak views so they reflect how your team truly operates. That's it. Your project management system in Notion is ready to use and easy to refine as your needs evolve.